Ha?
Yeah.
Isali daw siya
Okay,
kaso.
add to me, okay?
But they are Tagalog.
We are student.
No, I have already.
We are student, guys. Here we are, student.
We are student.
I finished demonstrating joint movement.
At sabi mo pinapaliwanag.
As a student. Hi. Ade,
Welcome to our channel.
Hi, we're gonna go home today.
Baka toong ano ka, assistive assistive device.
Oo. Baka mag-aas.
Pagpasok ng assistive device sino?
At least alam ko naman yung swing through tsaka swing to.
Ma'am, alam ko na. Yung crutches, alam ko na po. Kasi po, naiputak sa elevator.
No need to demonstrate because now I'm just wearing this assistive device.
Experiencing it.
Alam mo kasi natin ma-memorize kasi isa yung device natin mahawakan.
Hi. Bye.
Guys!
Hello guys.
Welcome!
To our life as student.
Hoy, nag-live kayo kanino.
Sinabi mo yun?
Hindi.
Life as student.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Sasabihin ko pala.
Punta ko Delta.